Happy Saturday! I pray you are staying safe and that you are enjoying this Saturday morning or whatever day that you are watching this. My name is Shari Brandell and this is Style Tips with Shari. And today we are going to talk about what happens when you gain weight, when you're stuck at home, or when you just can't get away from your environment and there happens to be food there, but then you think, what am I going to do when I put on clothes? Are they going to fit? Well, I have an action plan for you that I hope is going to serve you because honestly, trust me, I am following these very same tips. I have 10 steps to help you to not panic while you are just maybe in a situation where you find yourself and things are just not changing. So here we go. Number one is don't panic. Because honestly, you might not be gaining as much weight as you think that you are. You know, when we're stuck at home and we are wearing comfy clothes all the time, that we have this tendency to think, oh my goodness, nobody's gonna know, so I'm just gonna eat and I'm just not gonna, worry about it. Honestly, this too shall pass. This time will pass, and I think it's gonna be shorter than we think. I don't know, that's just my opinion. Some people say it'll be longer than we think, but I don't think you're gonna be up as many pounds as you honestly think that you are. Number two, breathe. Just breathe and kind of take control of your weight when it comes to how you're feeling about yourself and get on the scale twice a week. So don't do it every day. I have a tendency to get on the scale every single day, and our weight fluctuates so much that I'm thinking, oh my goodness. And sometimes we try on those pair of pants that we, even if we went and had a latte, we're on regular times, we put them on and it's like, okay, there's a little extra weight on there. So don't worry about don't try those pants on. Like if you're like testing your weight, instead, don't do that. Just get on the scale twice a week and keep yourself in check. Now, I'm not a weight loss person. I'm just here to help you kind of think and go through these steps and think that, okay, how can I come out on the other end where I don't have a ton of extra money involved and I feel terrible about myself, honestly. So there's that. So get on the scale twice a week and check in. And here's the thing, you're probably not eating a whole bag of chips. Maybe you're eating another, an extra cookie or here or there, here and there, or maybe you're eating more chips than you might think, but most of us aren't sitting down and eating the whole bag every single day, right? Or you'd have to be at the grocery store every single day. So just breathe and don't beat yourself up so much. Number three, don't overbuy. Meaning don't overspend. So don't think, oh my goodness, I've gained 5 pounds, because here's the thing, you guys, it takes between 7 and 12 pounds. And I always used to say it was 12 pounds, but there are some resources that say, 4 to 6 pounds. So I'm going to give you, I think it also depends on your frame size, whether you're tall or whether you're small or, a larger frame size. But based on that, some are going to gain, go up a size with if you're 5 pounds over, and some are going to be at 12 pounds. So let's just say from 6 to 12 pounds is a size difference depending on your frame size. So don't go spend a bunch of money on clothes that you think now you have to get because you don't fit into anything that you already own. All right, so here's what I would recommend that you do. Just get a few workhorse pieces. So maybe it's some tees and some tops, some tanks. Go up a size, because if you're gaining weight, typically in your belly or your hips, it's gonna happen underneath your waist area, kind of in that area. And some of you gain in your bust line, not a lot, but mostly it's gonna be the front area or hips and thighs. So go up a size in your tank. And maybe, so if you're a medium, then go up to a large. If you're a large, get an extra large. If you're an extra large, get a 1X or 2X. If you're a small, go to a medium. Just for these times, and sometimes when you want to have a top that doesn't cling to your body, it's nice to have those tanks. So go up a size in those, maybe get 1 or 2 pieces like that, and maybe get your favorite pair of jeans and go up 1 size in those. So don't spend a ton of money. Just go like 1 or 2 pieces or 3 pieces. If you ordered a box from Natalie Attired, then that was a great way to not overspend. If you didn't see that video, watch that video that I showed last week, because they're in the middle of a celebration collection sale. So this is a great time. You can get like 3 or 4 pieces for $57. So that would be a good way. But just try not to think like, oh my goodness, I have to buy a whole new wardrobe. All right. Another thing I want to tell you about, another resource that I absolutely love, is it's an adjustable belt, and I have one on. I'm going to show you. It's called Isabelt. And so Isabelt is this product, and I'm picking this up here because I have it in 2 different ways. I have the clear version and I have a black version. And so I have the black version on, and it comes in a skinnier, like a thinner width, and it also comes in a wide width. I have the wider width on right now. But these are belts that you can put on your own body, like in your belt, and no matter what pair of pants you're wearing, if your hips and your thighs, okay, so let me tell you who this is particularly great for. So if you've got a smaller waist than you do hips, and you can never keep your britches up, like they just don't match, like your waist and your hips, then you need this belt. Or if you're like me and you gain in your belly, yet your derriere, sometimes it feels like, okay, my derriere isn't not where I gain my weight. And so it's like, oh, I'm always pulling my pants up, like, oh, I wish they would just stay up. This is for that as well. This will keep your pants in place. I think every single wardrobe needs these. And so we'll put a link below for those as well. But whether you get the clear one, and the skinny one would fit through all belt loops. And here's the cool thing. It flattens, and I'm going to show you. It flattens, and so you can wear a top over top of it, and there's no bulge. And if you are a smaller waisted gal and you like to wear a belt, then you can actually wear your regular belt over top of it, and it fits as well. So I would recommend the clear one for you on that. But absolutely, you guys, these are fantastic. I have worn this for years. As a matter of fact, in my book, Help Me Jesus, I Have Nothing to Wear, I recommend this right here, this very belt. And so there's a resource link at the back of that page, but we're going to put it below. And I think every single wardrobe needs this. So if you find yourself right now in this time where you're gaining weight, or maybe even losing a little weight, or your pants just aren't staying up, or they just don't equal you got to get this belt. And it's adjustable, so it's 1 size fits all. So you don't have to worry like, oh, what size do I buy? Super easy to use. It's a magnetic clip in the front. So anyway, wanted to share that resource with you because it's incredible. Number 4, maybe what you need to do is create a no elastic Tuesday. And so on Tuesdays, or you can pick whatever day, you're not going to wear your elastic waist pants. You're going to put on pants. That's where you'll need that belt for that. You'll put on pants and regular pants. And I did that today. I actually put on my leopard jeans, and I feel so much better. And so I'm going to move this little thing around. But I feel so much better. It's just amazing what a pair of pants will do that actually zip up, and you're not like pulling on those yoga pants and exercise pants and sweatpants. So create for yourself a no elastic Tuesday. Number 5, create special events at home. So I have this friend who every Friday she gets on a Zoom call with her best friend, and they have a cocktail together and they talk about their week. And they actually put on a pretty dress or top or whatever, however they dress up. But she said they just dress up. It's almost like girls' night out, right? And so create special events for yourself where you actually have to go in your closet and pull something else out to wear. And another thing that you could do is create one night a week dinner for your family where you get the candles out, you get the cloth napkins out, you set the table really pretty, and you tell your family they have to dress up for dinner. What if you did that one night a week, Saturday night, Sunday lunch? After church, you're gonna have this beautiful, table setting, and how fun would that be? And you have to put on clothes that you normally would wear. And so you're making sure that you're staying true to the size that you plan to be at the end of this as well. Number 6, find something beautiful in your wardrobe, and some things in your wardrobe, and they can be accessories that you love to wear. And okay, so for example, I love this scarf that I have on. I love it. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to pull it out and wear it. It's super lightweight. I don't really feel like it's on. I kind of can tell when it gets, moved to the front like I did a minute ago. It's like, oh, it's back. But I love this scarf. And so find things that are really beautiful in your wardrobe. Maybe it's a kimono that you have, a silk kimono layering piece, and it's really lightweight, and you could even wear it over your yoga pants and a tee if you put it on. But another thing, I love this ring, and I don't wear it a lot, but I love it, and I thought, I'm gonna wear that around the house. So find those things that just kind of make you happy. Maybe it's a pretty color that you love, and put it on and wear that. Maybe you have Beautiful Wednesday. I don't know. So we're gonna have all kinds of special days. Number 7, find those family heirlooms or special pieces, jewelry pieces that you maybe have been handed down to you, but that you normally wouldn't wear out in public. So for example, I have some of my mom's watches, and they're really dainty, and I don't wear dainty things, but I might pull one of those out for this time and wear it. Another thing is so this necklace that I have on, I got this necklace when my son graduated from college, and he went to West Point, and that right before their junior year, what they do is they order their class rings, and they order replicas for their moms. Isn't that the sweetest thing? Or some girlfriends, I guess, get them too, but it's really meant for the moms. But so he got me a replica in the form of a necklace. But this is a daintier piece that I don't wear by itself. Sometimes I'll add a necklace with it. I have one that has like a gold ring around, so it kind of situates in the middle, but I don't wear it a lot because I don't want to lose it. And so this is a great piece to wear. I find I'm wearing it at home because it's lightweight, and if I lose it, if it comes off at home, which it hasn't, but if it did, I'm still at home and I'm going to find it at home, right? And so find those pieces and put those on and enjoy those family treasures that you have. Number 8, create order in your room, near your closet, and where your dressing space, like where you get ready, your dressing area. I'd love to say that I have a dressing area, but I don't. I have a bedroom, and my bathroom is so small. We live in one of those older homes, not like older like in the 1800s, just older like 40 years old home. And it's got the small bedrooms and the small closets, and so we've lived here for almost 24 years, and it's perfect for us. But I don't need a big bathroom. But if I get it really cluttered up with piling things and I tend to do that. I do tend to do that. My husband, it's the one thing he's like, sometimes you just become a pack rat. Like if I come home from a trip, like where I'm speaking, sometimes I don't unpack my suitcase for a week, like literally. And sometimes I don't unpack, like especially during speaking season, I might be gone every weekend for like a 6-week period. And so I might not even like unpack it. I'll like work out of that suitcase, and then I know it's like so bad and it drives him nuts. But so create a beautiful dressing space. Maybe even fix up your closet. This would be the perfect time to do 27 hangers and get your closet looking like a boutique, like so pretty, like such a good time to do that. All right. So make sure you're picking up after yourself in your dressing area, so you're not just grabbing the same old pieces every single day and putting them on. Number 9. Now, this kind of has to do with the creating special events, but this is really more of a daily thing. Create a new normal. Basically, dress up for dinner. Now, not like like the fancy, but change your clothes for dinner. So let's say you're in a graphic tee all day long and you've just cooked. Maybe go upstairs, put some lipstick on, and put on a pretty blouse, or put on a pair of shoes that you wouldn't normally wear. I'm wearing tennis shoes mostly all the time because we have like hardwoods and like ceramic tile. And sometimes my feet, I have bad feet. They just hurt a lot. So I have to wear my tennis shoes around the house. But right now I have on like cute little loafer shoes. And so it's just kind of changing it up a little bit. So every day you're just kind of thinking, okay, a little bit outside the box. It's getting you back to your regular normal that you would normally have done before. Not that you would change for dinner, but maybe you would have come home from work and changed. But maybe create a new normal for yourself. Think of something that you could change every single day and have some fun with that. And then number 10, move. Move. Move your body. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there are so many online exercise programs right now, like so many. My absolute favorite is Body and Soul. It's a Christian workout that you can get. I think it's like $14.99 a month. We'll link that below as well. And you can, no matter your level of exercise, so whether you can move hardly at all or whether you can move a lot, you're going to work out to Christian music, and it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. So we're going to put that. And if you don't want to do that, at least get out and walk 3 times a week. Maybe even go sit in the sun a little bit, walk around your yard, even if it's like 10 minutes. If you've got a dog, your dog's probably dying to go for a walk, take your dog for a walk. But if you have to take your dog for a walk anyway, maybe go a little longer than you normally would. And if nothing else, no matter if you like 80s dance music or whatever genre era that you like, put some music on and dance around the kitchen, and even get your whole family up and dancing. Or if your husband or if you're live by yourself, then nobody will see you, so it'll be fun. But just move. You gotta move, because again, when we come out of this, I don't think you're gonna be up as much as you think you are. But this will ensure that you're not gonna be, and you will feel so much better. Honestly, you know what? Earlier this week, I do CrossFit. And we actually have Zoom class every day at 5:30, but I try to show up 2 to 3 times a week. My schedule, I used to work out at 7:30 in the morning, and so 5:30 is kind of like I'm still working at 5:30. But the first day this week on Monday, I think of every excuse not to do it. I do every single time. And it was like almost time for class, and I just made myself do it. Like I practically drug myself into the kitchen. It's not hard. I just have to click the link and watch the class and say hi to everybody and do my exercises, right? But I felt so much better afterwards, like so much better. And so just move, do whatever you have to do, and get out and move your body. That's all I have for you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, will you do that? I love when I get emails from you guys, and there seems to be a lot of you that like this channel, so I love it. And make sure that you subscribe and leave a comment, like which one of those things that I talked to you about today are you gonna do? You know what? I did my hands right here. One of the things, I talked about beautiful things, and I would never wear blue polish in public. Like, it's just not something I would do. But it was something I did this week because I'm not going anywhere, right? And I thought, I wonder what it's like. I always see people with, different color nail polish. And I thought, and so I ordered some on Amazon, and I put it on my nails, and I kind of like it. My husband doesn't like it, but I'm like, you know what? Try something new at home while you're here, something that you normally wouldn't do, and it's just kind of fun. So anyway, you guys, have a great week. I will see you next Saturday, and until then, keep growing out those gray roots, and keep showing up for your family, for your life, and just know that God's got you. See ya. Bye-bye.